Busquets, Rakitic, Iniesta, Messi, Neymar, Luis Suarez, tasked with scoring goals.
Rakitic,
Kako ja jebem u majku, pičku, idemo! Lako vidi, a ima i to.
Juan Fran, João Miranda,
Ani malo je otra su hoda malo kurac, ovo nešto bre je
William
debi da ja...
Sequeira,
Šta je bre ovo sad?
Trčiš gore.
Šta je bre ovo, ti bre sprintu pičku?
Gore.
Di gore?
Gore bre.
Di gore?
Gore tu.
Šta je gore kad je gore? Jebe mi mater!
Ovdje.
Ovo bre! Gdje ovo bre daj?
A ne može sad, ne igraj.
Šta bre ne može?
Ne može sad.
Jebe ti može u
Meni je promenila.
Šta bre Milo se promenila? Daj ne moram jedeš gol.
Daj,
possession so far, it's still early.
Pa daj, ne mogu. Pa edi bre u kurac. Ne mogu, moj prsti mora dole da budu. Mora dole, lako.
Idi dole zove. Dole ne gore, jebem ti majka. Tako.
Nije nek mi sjećiš.
The ball through. What about that?
Ne može ovako, nije ovako. Nije ovako kako treba. Zato što neću da tako da ovo... Daj mi gdje ti bi bio preko do preko.
There was no way he was
Ne može ja gori dole. Da. Pa edi bre u kurac.
And in that instance, it was instinctive and quick.
Evo, sprint radi, ovo radi.
Atletico Madrid take a 2-goal lead and things should be comfortable
Koji
from here on
digni?
in.
Bao sam digni dok čije.
That
Nije
second
tu
goal
digni.
has given them so
A
much
nije
more
tu digni.
command
Ajde,
and
da smo
confidence
čuli.
now. They should be able to take them.
But one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Nemoj zove.
For me, you can't fault the keeper.
Ja.
Avoid this possible point off the upright. Nothing he can do.
Zoki, jebi ga mislim. Mnogo si se otvorio.
To.
Nije jebote. Dole država. Dole.
Liga.
To je to.
To! Jebem ti jebac u pičku ludu.
Samo se. Ti ideš dole uz mene ili levo, formatim change i biraš poslije. Znači stavno. Formatim change. Dole ideš. Kjec.
Ti si ti bre jebem ti sunce i tebi i dostigu sebi.
To. Kjec. To je. Još jednom.
Of all the grand stadia in world football, none more impressive than this. A very warm welcome to all of you from the San Siro in Milan.
Ti si
And
žuti
here we
vodi
have
žuti.
AC Milan against Barcelona. The commentator Peter Drury, and providing his unique brand of expert analysis, here's Jim Beckman.
Hello, Peter, and hello to everyone watching. For me, it's a...
Van Ginkel, and it's Churchill. And he has been fouled there.
Roze, kopač.
Montalivo. Surely. Rakitic. Now it's Luis Suarez. He's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. It's not taken him long. And that's going to be a booking.
Right.
No, it's not getting there.
Konami. Kawasaki.
Van Ginkel. And the through ball is intercepted.
Bravo.
Montalivo. Milan looking really energetic early on. It is a high press. It's a loose ball. Played into the middle. Oh, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
Oh, they really wanted that. There's so many players in the box. Everyone's committed to attack now. Okay, they missed a couple of chances so far, but you can take nothing away from their spirit and desire. They look
Great
at the
position,
little.
great position.
Destro. Goal! Milan! And Milan have the lead. He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
Look, you can only exploit the space if the pass is good enough, and in that instance, it was instinctive and quick, and it did the damage.
Milan take the lead, 1-0.
Well, that lifts some of the pressure, but they need to maintain their work rate. It's been very good up to now.
Jordi Alba gets good distance on it. Oh, he's come up against the brick wall there. And it's Churchy. Now the pass. Destro has a
Nisam
goal!
kao rezultat. On ne znam ni šta znači analog. Analog kad uključiš ne možda imaš na poslu.
Montalivo. So they got the only goal to give them a 1-0 lead. Now it's Neymar. Montalivo, he does have an assist to his name. Oh, he's broken through. Milan showing a good score right now and leading. He's not played the ball, that's a foul.
Ajmo sa žutim.
And he's going to have his name
Još
taken.
jedan, dva.
He stayed down and he's in very obvious discomfort here. Too much on it. Nigel de Jong. Montalivo. Aimed long and direct. Now here's the through ball. Meets it first time. He scores! And already they're looking to run away with it. Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Ne, moj zadnji
For me, you can't fault the keeper there.
Ja,
Within the
evo,
widest possible point off the upright. Nothing he can do.
Zoki, jebi ga mislim. Mnogo si se otvorio.
Themselves a 2-goal cushion.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
Played out to the right.
To je
And
bilo
the flag has
bolje.
stayed down. They've been given a corner. Massive lead. Oh, not the best of headers.
Biću umiran ko bubica.
Kad bubica, znate vi ljudi šta je bubica?
Nigel de Jong. 30 minutes gone. Coscilio looking for options. Churchy passes it through. Keeper's ball.
Zoki, što si tako spanič? Sad što ja spitam, da.
Try from distance.
Well, for me, he had a very decent crack at it, but it has to be said that the odds on those from distance were never really that good, and you'd always favour the keeper in that instance.
Out wide to the right.
Da, njemu jebo. Jebi ga, ja prvi put igram. Evo Zoki. Laska.
Luis Suarez.
Evo šanse.
Milan are in control here on the brink of half-time. Destro. Ball's come loose and the chase is
Kako
on.
bre nebo Pisaović je
Oh,
dete.
rampant! Surely now, beyond all
Znaš
doubt.
kaj si ti izvadiš ovdje?
Jimmy, your thoughts?
I just think there was too much ball watching. Nobody's really looking to see who's drifting into good striking positions, and it's a bad one to give away. It
Mislim da
really is.
ljudi vidjeli ovaj gameplay izbirali se.
Milan take a 3-goal lead and they are running out of sight. Van
Ovo
Ginkel.
je!
That's
Kako
Van
nije?
Ginkel.
50 miliona tu! 50
Van
miliona!
Ginkel. Abate. Menes. Bounce one! And he should have made it fall. What an effort that was. He's done very well from that distance.
Ha?
2 minuta.
The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance.
Po vreme završeno.
First half to a
Hvala
close.
završao majke.
Milan are cruising it at half time, 3-0 ahead.
Ajde, sad je tvoja strana.
Here we go again then.
A
Rabiot,
pa ono izgubiš.
Abate,
Loptu, nije mi jasno.
Menes, Montalivo, Rakitic, the foul.
Uši, uši.
Fora. Sam skušao.
Goes for goal! In it goes! Ruthless and relentless! Utterly
U
rampant!
Barcelonu sini za crveno.
Pretty simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
Look, I don't want to take anything away
Yes.
from the finish because he
Jel
goes
ti
to
radi
his
par
main
sad, jel ti
position.
radi šut radi, jel ti
Where was
radi
the communication in
prostor,
that defense? Who
centar
was
šut
taking
radi,
charge?
radi, među
Nobody.
radi. Šta je to?
Kač dobro ja igrao onaj pes koji mura bre.
A ono je pes
Once again.
12, ovo je
Jebe mu mača.
šest.
It's Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez. And that's left him on the
Da,
side of
ja
his
je
fence.
dobra, sudija jebe ti mača u kuću.
Van Ginkel. Milan in it back again.
Radi.
Montalivo looks to slip it through. Destro. Destro! Iniesta. Montalivo. Abate. Menes. Tries a through ball. Now it's Churchy.
Šta si ne
Steered it
uradio?
beyond the post.
Ja sam vidio!
First touch, and that allowed him the space to get the shot away. It's excellent technique.
Fine defending there. Neymar. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him.
Ajde, Zoki.
He's away.
Ču mamut!
Neymar, Neymar. What of a time. He's
Nisam se malo
brilliant.
bude, čaka malo da se ja proučim malo to. Ovo je tehnologija, kurac. Kako je to malo seksi vas?
Ja,
Nisam mogu ja, čekaj polako, Mićo.
kako sam se zajedno.
Gdje kako prima blok, pojete to, evo, vidi gdje, jebo, kako sam obestio ovdje, evo. Pojete to, vidio, op, a vidio, op, to je baš prijavio. Ovo nema nigdje u životu. Evo.
Barcelona have a goal, but it's hard to see it as anything much more than a consolation. Van Ginkel. Deschilio. And it's Churchy. Churchy stepping forward. Menes. It's Churchy!
Ooo, tıkır.
That should be the keepers. Fires from distance. Milan had to make a change here. throw in. It's a good throw at all, really. He's given away possession cheaply. Nigel de Jong. Montalivo. Now it's Menez. Destro. Tries to float one. Oh, poor contact. Nothing on the shot. Messi. And it's Luis Suarez.
Suarez, Messi.
Messi.
Suarez.
Can he get through? Jordi Alba. Here's a corner.
Sjemski Messi. Odlično.
Znači, to je tako igra. Ujeli ti majku pičku, ja jebem. Tu!
De Jong.
Znači, a ima Saka ovdje pičku.
Montalivo.
Maco.
Looks like a good ball through.
Svaki dan plena.
Destro. They've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Now it's Neymar.
Au, brate, gdje mu vraćaš?
Closing in on the last quarter of an hour. And it's Luis Suarez. Messi.
Ojcu majte! Ojcu ga brzo! Sudija, crveni! Crveni! Crveni sine! Tako da mi verimo mamicu u jednu pičku tenis. Napolje! Stan sad!
Referee has gone
Tako je to! Prvi put u novom kompjuteru! Crveni kovar! Napolje,
They are
pička!
clearly
To se
concerned.
pali za 10 minuta, to treba ide na 20 minuta. Da je pravo.
Ovo je problem. Šta je to?
Now the cross.
Šta se do?
It's always going to be the keepers. Montalivo. Partey with the ball through. Played out wide. Menez. Hefty challenge, but fair
Pa ko je
enough.
penalni da ti bater u
He's been
pičku?
taken down and the referee has pointed at the spot. Milan have themselves a penalty. Bravo will have to save it here or there's real trouble. Golden opportunity wasted.
Chances like that won't come along too often. Missing a penalty can really knock you psychologically.
Speculative strike. Oh, great effort, but he's produced a save to match.
They caught that one right on the meat.
Van Ginkel. Neymar. He's on the back foot. Luis Suarez. Oh, glorious footwork.
Uuu, sudija, mamu, ti
Alex
jebeni pičku.
demonstrating fabulous determination. He just will not be beaten. Nigel de Jong. Van Ginkel. Out for a throw. Montalivo passes it through.
Idemo šmekiru.
Menez. And the ball's come out. Van Ginkel! It's gone out for a throw in.
Ajde bre. Ovo sam
Ball
čekao.
throw that, picked off with relative
Ovo
ease.
sam kompjuter, znao sam da će ovo biti.
Luis Suarez tries running with the ball at his feet. Neymar. Brought forward. How does he try from here? Van Ginkel.
Push!
And it's Destro. Oh, good interception. Jordi Alba tries a long pass towards the front. Destro. Montalivo. Referee looks looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Milan, winners of another contest. They just swamped their opponents in superb quality.